We made lung models with plastic bottles, straws, and balloons. We made them to show how lungs work.
Some membrane inside my voice box is moving. Something like that. Maybe that's how.
We dissected the lung. It was very big and it also smelled like vinegar or sour stuff.
We cut a little part of the lung and then we put a straw and blow. It is an example how lung works. Do you see it bigger? Yes, I see it way bigger.
We looked into the microscope too. The samples looked interesting. Some looked like sponge. Some were liquid and some like bubbles.
We learned that our lungs are an important part of our bodies and is essential to life.
And don't forget to subscribe
To learn more about us
At Steam Learning Lab!